Hello and welcome to another episode of Vince's Projects. Today I'm going to be showing you how hydrogen reacts with water when a spark or a flame is added to it. So I'll show you my setup here. Okay, so what I have here is I have a container that I got from Safeway, some 1/4-inch tubing that I got from a fuel cell kit, a balloon that I cut off the tip with, and a popped balloon that I tied around the tubing to help seal it. And then I'm having this tubing go down and around, and I'm going to fit that over a small glass container with magnesium on the bottom, and I'm going to fill this little container up with vinegar, and it should bubble off hydrogen, therefore putting the gases inside of this container that's floating inside the bigger container full of water. Okay, let's try it. So as you can see, it's starting to bubble fairly well there, and I'm going to put my orange balloon over the lid. Okay, now I'm going to show you the gases being put into this container. So as you can see, it's bubbling away. Very happy there, generating away. And I figured out that this container filled with hydrogen can supply enough electricity with my fuel cell that I have. I can supply about 2 watts of electricity, just about enough to run like a Game Boy or something like that for about 15-20 minutes, which is pretty cool. So even this small amount of hydrogen gas can produce quite a good amount of electricity. This is obviously why they're thinking about using hydrogen as an alternative fuel source. But the key is to have it come from a never-ending supply of energy, or renewable energy source. So I'm not demonstrating that right now because I'm using hydrogen. I'm using magnesium and vinegar. But anyway, you're getting the idea. I don't have all the time in the world, so I'm using a little faster method. So as you can see, it's filled up the container and bubbling away. So as you all probably know, hydrogen is much lighter than air. So I'm going to just simply lift the container out, and place it on the counter, and then I'm going to grab a barbecue starter, okay, barbecue starter, light it up, Okay, light it up, place the container over, and I don't know if you can see that slightly blue colored flame in there just flickering away, but anyway, notice the steam on the side of the glass. This is proof of concept that hydrogen and oxygen form water, as we all know, for those of you that don't know. So yeah, and this water can be used just like regular water. You could drink it if you wanted to. I wouldn't recommend it, but yeah, so proof of concept that hydrogen and oxygen do form very pure water, and it is a very viable future fuel. Alright, and this concludes Vincent's episode. Thank you.